Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense font style in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document is the text 7. Now I will show the in this video. Then sense font style. Now select from the text. Now going to the home menu option. Then show the font style is a show. Then NSOC style. That is. Then again select from the text option. Then NSOC font style. That's it. Then I show the sense font style in Microsoft Word document. Is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.